How to reset settings to default on Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about resetting the entire system or settings in the Messenger application. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed Messenger application on your mobile device and it's updated to the latest version available. To update the app, you just have to open the Play Store on your mobile device and then search for the Messenger application. And once you find it, if you see an update button, something like this, that is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back. Then after, click on settings, the system settings, go to apps. Now simply search for Messenger application. Simply search for Messenger application, and once you find it, click on it. Then scroll down and go to storage. And here you can see the clear cache and clear data option. Simply tap on it to reset its settings completely to default. The system glitches and any bugs and will also be removed with other file settings, accounts and databases, and it will completely be reset to default. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can reset the settings of Messenger application on your Android mobile device. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.